तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है डेडलॉक. ओके, डेडलॉक is a set of process is said to be in deadlock if every process in the set is waiting for an event that can be caused by other process is the set. Okay, this is the definition of deadlock. Now let's see the characteristics. Okay, so characteristics to understand and prevent deadlocks, we define four necessary conditions, also called Coffman condition. Okay, second one is mutual exclusion. Only one process can use resource at a time. Okay, a example like a printer cannot print two jobs simultaneously. Okay, these are very simple notes. Okay, then third one is hold and wait. A process holding at least one resource is waiting for more resources. Example, a process holds memory and wait for input-output devices. Now, fourth one is no preemption. A process holding at least one resource is waiting for more resources. Example, a process holds memory and wait for IO devices. Okay. Circular wait. A circular chain of processes exists, each waiting for a resource held by next. So these are the diagram. It starts with P1 and ends with P1. Okay, this is the circular. Okay, so next video में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक मैंने ये पढ़ाया है, अब जाकर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में चेक करो. ओके, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय.